सो हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ अभिषेक फ्रॉम ग्लीव मोटर्स एंड आज की वीडियो में हम जानेंगे चाहे प्रोटोस VMX हो या नॉर्मल छोटा वाला प्रोटोस हो, तो दोनों में सेम हैंडल बार है. वी हैव गॉट सेम हैंडल बार. सो इन केस आफ्टर सम टाइम you might feel that there is some wobble. As you can see, there is some wobble in this. On this side it is tight, but on this side there is some wobble. So there is a quick fix for this and we are going to learn how to do it. इसको slide करना. So first of all we will slide the collar. ठीक है. Then you will see there is a small, on this side there is a small Allen bolt, this one. So using number 3 Allen key will do it. So what is the purpose of this Allen key? So this Allen key, Allen bolt fills up the gap between this collar and that. So in case you feel there is a wobble, so you need to unscrew it so that it comes little bit outside and fills the gap. So we'll do it initially. We'll try to, yes, we have unscrewed it, and then you will have to do a little bit of testing where this is becoming properly tight. So you might have to do it few times to see where it is. So now see, now the wobble has gone. So this can be done in this way. And suppose if you have a liquid which is called Loctite. So this is a thread locker, medium strength. So it is very expensive, but you might get it in some bicycle shops or somewhere. So this Loctite, after applying this, the bolt doesn't loosen up easily. It will take long time to loosen up. So you can use this type. So always remember using medium strength, not the high strength one. So now we are taking out the bolt completely. Now the bolt has come out. So this is how the bolt looks. Okay. Now we will apply one drop of this Loctite. Just a single drop. Yes. And now we will again tighten it in its position. So again we will adjust its tightness. So since it is loose, now we will unscrew it so that it comes out a little bit, and then again see if it is loose, then we will again unscrew it a little bit more, and then so you might have to do it 3-4 times. Yes. So now it is tightened. So after you apply the thread locker, you will have to leave it for at least like 15-20 minutes so that it creates a proper bond, and now it will remain tight. So in this way you can apply. This method can be applied on both Protos VMX as well as our Protos, the one with 8-inch tires. So thanks for watching, and we will upload more such videos for you. In case you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comment section.